SP 500, it is complicated talk about SP 500 at the moment. I made my little box, and yeah, I say to you guys that I would not be trading SP 500 until price come down around 7,276. And yes, I'm not touching it. I'm watching. I've been tempted. Yes, I was tempted to buy right here. I normally don't short indexes and commodities that much. Sometimes I do, but at the moment I'm just watching, and I'm so glad that I didn't got involved in this trade. So look what's going on here. The price again is making a support. He's revisiting the support. Let's see, 4 hours. Yeah, 4 hours. Sure, that's good. Where is he? Yeah, well, again, I still think that the price might be retesting this region here. At the moment, I don't want to make a call or anything. I'm just watching. Now let's go to my favorite. Let's go to gold. So gold, look at that beautiful chart. It's technicals through and through. There is a lot of fundamental macros, but what I love about trade gold is gold normally respect the technicals, the support, the resistance, the trend quite a lot. Well, nothing's 100%, but there is a lot of respect here. One thing that I want to talk to you about, guys, some people keeping asking me about my strategy on gold. Well, I got quite few, to be fair. All depend on the day of the week, depend what's going on with the stock market in general, depends what Fed's going to say, depend how the dollar is doing. So one of my favorite strategy is RSI, stochastics, support and resistance all together. Just a quick example here. I'm not going to spend much time. I'm preparing now a material about that. So can you see here the price pretty much at the same level? Divergence on the RSI is indicating that the price is moving higher. There is more buying pressure taking the price out of the sell zone. So, and then this is one good one for me. And when the stochastic give me a smooth crossing, I'm not go for something like chop it up like that. I like smooth crossing. So, and the price actions tell me, yes, I'm rejecting the support. That's normally how I get into a trade. So as you guys can see, was a little divergence here as well. The price was pushing lower, but the RSI was moving higher. And look at that beautiful smooth crossing here. I got this rejection here. As you can see, my arrows was something that I was watching already. So I bought gold and I sold on around 4,080. I think I called this trade before happened on one of my videos. Yes, I did. And I also sent a text message on my Telegram channel about this trade. And I sent another one about this beautiful trade here. That was a beautiful one. Took a little bit longer than I expect, but look at the diversion. Look how the RSI done the job. The price was pushing lower and the RSI start to move higher. I start to make my mind up around when the price reject the support zone here and made this beautiful engulfing candle. I say, I need to be in this trade. I want to be in this trade. So I bought gold. But now what is worrying me a little bit about gold, let's move this out of the way. Yeah, what is worrying me a little bit about gold, I really want to see gold making a new high. But look at this. Gold drops here again. You know, fun enough, I've been watching gold and WTI at the same time. And when WTI is going up, gold normally is going down. So they are, yeah, the prices contradicting each other. So, but look at this now. So I made this little trend here to see if the price would retest here and keeping push higher. I was hoping that the price would hit this resistance level, and it did not. But look what's going on. Looks like that we might have a little trend. Oh, this is just a wedge that the price is gonna break through it and retest the 4020 again. So at the moment I'm watching, I am not on gold as well. As I say, I'm not trading nothing at the moment. I got a long position that's something for a couple of weeks or maybe a month, I don't know. So I am long on gold, but not at trading. I am investing on gold because, well, this is another conversation for another time. So at the moment, I recommend you guys to watch on your chart to make some lines and some draw some whatever you have to do, put some warnings on your chart. Look at this. Well, probably the RSI is gonna touch the oversold again, maybe. Let's see. But the stochastic saying something completely different. They say, okay, I want to give us a buy signal. So at the moment, I would really like to see the price moving higher from here. So I just need to wait and see. I will keep you guys updated, and I will be send more notifications on the Telegram channel later on. I'm sorry I didn't put no videos this morning. I was crazy at the office. We are very busy when there is volatility in the market. We just like get hammered with work, and I will be looking to see what's gonna happen to the earnings of the big tech companies this week. So yeah, it's gonna be a big one for SP 500. I recommend you to look as well. Well, I'll speak to you guys soon. Yes, let me know in the comments which strategy or which indicator, what would you like me to talk about, or in the specific like commodities or stock or index. Just put in the comments what you like me to talk about, and I will make a full video about it. I speak to you guys soon.